Last but not the least, we come to the last segment of our event, the last performance. Supervision of our children is key to their safety because children do not understand danger. It is our responsibility as parents and guardians to make sure our children's world is as safe as possible so their exploration is injury and fun. Why is school safety important? Keeping school safe allows children to look forward to being an encouraging environment that promotes social and creative learning. Promoting school safety creates an open space for kids to explore and learn and grow. Please welcome our RTF 1 and 2 students. They are Kartik Kalra, Satvik Mangwani, Swam Shivlani, Vishakha Jetwani, Ishika Jetwani, Samriddhi Mandwani, Charitam Laghate, Rakshit Bajaj, Ovia Ramani, Keshav Malviya, Saransh Sharma, Nihira Jain, Dhanasvi Barfa. Please welcome all of them. They are going to tell you about body safety. A big round of applause for all of them. This is the last performance. Keep clapping, put your hands together, encourage them, motivate them. They really get motivated by your claps.
No to you. We are smart, we know what to do. We're gonna say no to you.
Say no.
No.
Say no to you.
No.
One day when I was walking to school, walking to school, walking to school. One day when I was walking to school, walking to school. One day, a stranger asked me, hey, what's your name? Hey, what's your name? Hey, what's your name? A stranger asked me, hey, what's your name? Hey, what's your name? They asked. I didn't answer.
Very good.
I
Please put your hands
away.
together.
I walked away. I walked away. I didn't answer. I walked away. I walked away instead. Stranger danger, that is the truth. Don't
Very
talk to
good.
strangers that talk to you. Stranger danger, hear what I say. Stay with your friends and just walk away. One day when I was home at my house, home at my house, home at my house. One day when I was home at my house, home at my house. One day, a stranger came and knocked on my door, knocked on my door, knocked on my door. A stranger came and knocked on my door, knocked on my door. One day, I didn't answer, I walked away.
Beautiful
I walked away.
performance.
I walked away. I didn't answer. I walked away. I walked away instead. Stranger danger, that is the truth. Don't talk to strangers that talk to you. Stranger danger, hear what I say. Stay with your friends and just walk away. Now repeat after me. When I say stranger, you say danger. Stranger danger. Stranger danger. I say stranger, you say danger. Stranger danger. Stranger
Come on, danger.
Talk to strangers? No. Do we walk with strangers? No. Do we take anything from strangers? No. Do we go with strangers?
No.
Stranger danger, that is the truth. Don't talk to strangers
Very good.
that talk to you. Stranger danger, hear what I say. Stay with your friends and just walk away. Stranger danger, that is the truth. Don't talk to strangers that talk to you. Stranger danger, hear what I say. Stay with your friends and just walk away.
Very good. I think this was the best performance of the day. And two students, please give them a big round of applause. They were really, really awesome.
That talk to you. Stranger danger, hear what I say. Stay with your friends and just walk away. Stranger danger, that is the truth. Don't talk to strangers that talk to you. Stranger danger, hear what I say. Stay with your friends and just walk away.
Now it's time to appreciate our little wonders by giving them a token of love. Token of love in the form of shield, which they are going to remember throughout their life. And give the token of love. And whosoever child is taking the shield, kindly take him away from the stage itself. Thank you. Ma'am, please come on the stage for giving the shields to the kids. I request all of you, Mausam ma'am, Mrs. Rajani, Miss Shalini Rai, Mr. Rajani and Mrs. Kavya Badlani. Matta, Daksh Matta, Hussain Munakwala, Hussain Munakwala, thank you so much for bearing us for so long. Parth Matta, next is Parth Matta, parents of Parth, Shania Bagga, Bagga, Parth, please wait, see Mama is here. Sorry, Shanaya Bagga.
We are here to sing and dance.
So happy she is.
Here to play and sing. We are here
Yuvan Haryani,
We are here to become the future.
Yuvan Haryani, Meher Kingrani, parents of Meher, parents of Meher, I request parents of Meher, please come on the stage. Next is Abhiram Sahu. Abhiram Sahu. Next is Gyan Mehra, parents of Gyan Mehra. Gyan Mehra. Next is Ridan Khemlani. Ridan Khemlani. Riddhi Panjwani. Ridan Khemlani. Next is Riddhi Panjwani. I would request parents of Aravi Saluja, Riddhi Panjwani, thank you so much. Next, Aravi Saluja. Next is Rudra Gaur, parents of Rudra Gaur. Next, Malhar Joglekar, Rudra Gaur. Malhar Joglekar. Thank you so much. Praveer Ram Singhani, parents of Praveer Ram Singhani. Kavya Deorari, Kavya Deorari, Himaira Agrawal, thank you, Himaira Agrawal. Next, Trisha Dandotia, Mihika Bhatt, parents of Mihika Bhatt. Smile. Parents of Mihika Bhatt, the cutest child. Next, Suhana Shikha. Mama, Papa, sit there. Congratulations to all the lovely children and their parents. Next is Bhavya Khemlani. Parents of Aryan Saluja. Congratulations. Bhavya Khemlani. Next is Charvi Jindal. Talreja, Hussain Bagwala, Janaya Rajani, Janaya Rajani, Kenneth Jetwani, Janaya, Kenneth Jetwani, Kenneth Jetwani, Kyan Mangal. Parents, kindly wait for 10-15 minutes. It is hardly going to take not more than 20 minutes, I guess. Please wait for them and please give a big round of applause. Kyan Mangal, Kyan Mangal, Sachdeva, parents of Meet Sachdeva, Navya Talreja, Meet Sachdeva, Navya Talreja, Purvika Chhabra, parents of Purvika Chhabra, Radhan Khemlani, Taushif Sadhwani, Purvika Chhabra, Radhan Khemlani, Taushif Sadhwani, and Brish Pingle. Parents, kindly be seated and hardly 15-20 minutes are left. Please don't go. Next is Veer Patwa and Viraj Patwa, parents of Veer and Viraj. Vrish, parents of Vrish. Congratulations to all the children and their parents for being so cooperative with the school. Parents of Veer and Viraj Patwa. Veer and Viraj Patwa. is Avir Patil, parents of Avir Patil. Avir Patil, Ekagra Gupta, Ekagra Gupta, Krusha Mishra, Krusha Mishra, Ekagra Gupta, Pratishtha Pandey, Pratishtha Pandey, Ruhi Modi, Rudra Gupta, parents of Ruhi Modi, Rudra Kumar, parents of Rudra Kumar, Vinaya Goyal, parents of Rudra Kumar, Vinaya Goyal, parents of Vinaya Goyal, Vinaya Goyal, parents of Vinaya Goyal, Vivansh Jadon, Shaurya Mittal, parents of Shaurya Mittal, Jaspreet Shukla, Shaurya Mittal, Jaspreet Shukla, Jaspreet Shukla, Vidhi Patera, parents of Jaspreet Shukla, Vidhi Patera, Priyansh Patera, Rashmeet Sarkar, Mishika Srivastav, Priyansh Patera, Rashmeet Sarkar, Mishika Srivastav, Mokshat Sapkale, Rashmeet, Mishika Srivastav, Mishika Srivastav and Mokshat Sapkale. Parents of Veer Viraj, Veer Patwa and Viraj Patwa. Parents of Rezalullah, प्रवन साधवानी, प्रवन साधवानी, प्रणव साधवानी, प्रणव साधवानी, नक्श देमलानी. Congratulations to all the cute little children. Naksh Demlani, Jasnoor Ajmani and Jasleen Ajmani. Jasnoor Ajmani and Jasleen Ajmani. Parents, kindly be seated. It will hardly take 10 minutes, please. Jasnoor Ajmani and Jasleen Ajmani. Himansh Artwani, Himansh Artwani, Arav Sahita, Arav Sahita, Arav Sahita, Arush Khandkar, Arush, parents of Arush, Kairav Bhagchandani, Kairav, Arav Sahita, Arush, Kairav, Prisha Avantani, Kairav, Prisha, Kairav, Prisha, parents of Prisha, Mansh Barjatya, Mansh Barjatya, Pratishtha Borade, Pratishtha Borade, Pratishtha Borade, Manan Chhabra, Saisha Wadwani, Manan Chhabra, Pratishtha Borade, Manan Chhabra and Saisha Wadwani. Samaraditya Karnal, parents of Samaraditya Karnal, parents of Samaraditya Karnal, Palvit Goyal, Palvit Goyal, Parv Goyal, Palvit Goyal, parents of Palvit Goyal, Parv Goyal, Nirvan Satwani, Nirvan Satwani, Anaisha Sharma, Anaisha Sharma, नित्या सोनी, थैंक यू, नित्या सोनी, नैना त्रिवेदी, क्रिस्टीन, नैना त्रिवेदी, नैना त्रिवेदी, क्रिस्टीन, वेदिका मित्तल, कार्तिक कालरा, पेरेंट्स ऑफ कार्तिक कालरा, स्वयं शिवलानी, कार्तिक मनमानी, स्वयं शिवलानी, विशाखा जेवानी, विशाखा जेवानी, इशिका जेवानी, स्वयं शिवलानी, विशाखा and इशिका, विशाखा and इशिका, they performed really well, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लग रहे थे। समृद्धि, समृद्धि माधवानी, समृद्धि माधवानी, चरितम लगाते, चरितम लगाते, रक्षित बजाज, चरितम लगाते, रक्षित बजाज, ओविया रमनानी, ओविया रमनानी, केशव मालविया, रक्षित बजाज, ओविया रमनानी, केशव मालविया, केशव मालविया, सारांश शर्मा, ओविया, केशव, सारांश, केशव, सारांश शर्मा, मिहिरा जैन एंड धनस्वी, सारांश शर्मा, मिहिरा जैन, मिहिरा जैन एंड धनस्वी, धनस्वी बर्फा, मिहिरा जैन एंड धनस्वी, आरव जिग्रोल, आरव जिग्रोल, पेरेंट्स ऑफ आरव, मैम काइंडली लीव द स्टेज फॉर 5 minutes. आरव जिग्रोल, आरव जिग्रोल, अनन्या यादव, आरव जिग्रोल, अनन्या यादव, कविश प्रताप सिंह, आरव जिग्रोल, अनन्या यादव, कविश प्रताप सिंह, मनांगना शर्मा, कविश प्रताप सिंह, मनांगना शर्मा, मान्या राठी, कविश प्रताप सिंह, मनांगना शर्मा, मान्या राठी, शाना, स्कंद रावत एंड उत्सव, मान्या राठी, मान्या राठी, शाना, स्कंद and उत्सव. मान्या, शाना and स्कंद. ले लिया? शाना गुब्रेले, स्कंद रावत, and उत्सव शर्मा.